As per paragraph 1.2 of the 2018 NZ Conception Framework, the primary objective of general-purpose financial reporting is to provide financial information about the reporting entity that is useful to existing and potential investors, lenders, and other creditors in making decisions associated to the provision of resources to the entity. Against this prescription, my essay aims to evaluate the New Zealand financial reporting environment with a particular emphasis on corporate regulator requirement. In order to conduct assessment aligned with paragraph 1.2 objectives, it is required that sufficient information should be given with regard to bullets A and B. However, these types of information are usually used internally by companies. Entities do not typically provide current and prospective investors, lenders, and creditors direct information on allocation of resources, management effectiveness, and etc. On the other hand, GPFR does not have the capacity to provide sufficient information for the intended users described in paragraph 1.2. Although GPFR can supplement the users with information concerning the estimated value of the entity, GPFR has not been designed to specifically reveal the entity's overall valuation. This is for the reason that GPFR does not take into account other external factors such as general economic conditions and expectations, political events and political climate, and industry and company outlooks. Moreover, different types of users of the financial report will have different and possibly conflicting information needs. Establish a common information as per paragraph 1.2 does not prevent the entity from incorporating supplementary information, which may be useful only to a specific group of users. Generally, this information will impact decisions that revolve around the purchase, sales, or holding of equities and debit instruments, provision or settlement of loans and other credit arrangements, or the exercise power or right to vote on the actions of the management with regard to the utilization of the entity's economic resources. In the past, New Zealand predominantly adopted a one-size-fits-all approach in terms of financial reporting. However, as the complexity of companies and organizations increased over the years, and the organizational structures involved with the impact multinational trading, financial reporting became more complex. After 2009, the Auditor General discussed concerns regarding the ongoing sustainability of NZIFRS for many entities. The published discussion paper promoted constructive debate across prominent institutions, which included the Ministry of Economic Development, the Accounting Standards Review Board, and the Finance and Expenditure Committee. There was agreement that there will be one responsible body for the establishment of financial reporting standards. The discussion also resulted in a consensus that the financial reporting standards need to be changed in order to accommodate better the different type of entities which report externally. Nevertheless, aligning the entity's financial reporting goals with the vision of the 2018 NZ Conception Framework is imperative in order to improve and maximize the usefulness of financial reporting among entities in New Zealand. Therefore, XRB must develop greater variations to their financial reporting standards in New Zealand.